What we're doing in Nordic Blockchain Association, it's on a high level perspective, it's uniting the Nordic. I mean, it's a decentralized technology, so you don't need country by country. You need a strong Nordic, you need a region. So we are trying to basically materialize what does blockchain actually mean from a societal, from a business perspective. Just taking it more plain and saying this is just another technology. It's good for the society because you create more work, more GDP, more investment, more companies. So try to have a more common approach towards it. And then as well, try to promote use cases and not just intangible things, but really try to promote and help companies use blockchain in something that's more tangible, because we think that's one of the biggest blockers. In the essence, Nordic Blockchain Association have a board member from each Nordic country. So we make sure we have the values and the objective for each countries. We work on 3 different verticals. One of them is steering committees. So all our members are part of different steering committees. We've got one in finance, legal, and best practice, where we talk and put the strategy on how we do it, promote it. Then we have how we activate the network and educate. So we do a lot of meetups, we do conferences. We have done, I think, 3 to 4 meetups each month this year. We have done a conference at the UN City. We have done a conference at the Danish Parliament. We have done a large conference with around 1,000 plus in Stockholm. So we do a large initiative, but smaller meetups as well. This is where we, of course, make sure the ecosystem meet, but this is where we get people in that curious. We do roundtable for banks. We have done roundtable for financial institutions. And then the third activity leg is creating more awareness based on data. So we are part of a project where we do surveys. So mapping how many consumers, how many people own crypto, how much do they own, are they positive, negative towards the future, what exchanges are they using. So just getting some data, and which is extremely important. And then we do that for companies as well. So we're launching the first Nordic survey ever done for companies. Like, it's embarrassing. We don't know how many people actually work in the industry, how many companies. So that's what we are mapping. So from a very, again, high level perspective, we are the place for all blockchain companies in the Nordic to be part of, but we see a lot of members from abroad. So a lot of companies that want to get into the Nordic kind of join our association. We existed for 9 years, been volunteer driven. So we are a constant within the ecosystem and a voice.